Stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to share a few tips and tricks that I use to stay positive and to kind of boost my energy whenever I'm feeling a bit low. Please feel free to leave a comment below and let me know other tips and tricks that you use that are effective for you in maintaining a positive mindset and boosting your energy. Okay, so one of the things that I do is I read a quote every day, or I say a mantra every day. And what I do is, I recently started doing this. I write quotes, some of my favorite quotes, on sticky notes, and I stick them on a space that I know I'll be able to see them regularly and I'll be able to make reference to them on a regular. So I put them on my wardrobe, obviously because, well, I need clothes every day. So obviously I'm going to see them every day, and that's just how I kind of start my day. Another thing that you can do with this technique is you can set a reminder on your phone with a special quote that you find or that sticks out to you, and set it to go off at a certain time, at your desired time, and it will go off at the same time every day. And that's also another way to do the exact same thing that I do. You can also set your desktop background with an image of a quote that you like. That's also another thing that you can use if you use your computer on a regular basis. Another thing that I do is I make sure that I open my curtains every day. I didn't realize how effective this was until I started doing it more regularly after the winter passed. I open my curtains every day to let the light in, and I feel this instant liveliness in me, and this instant just it literally brightens up my day. It starts off my day, even if it's gloomy or it's raining outside, just looking at nature and seeing people walking around, cars driving by, buses going by, it just shows me that there's so much life outside. It just makes me appreciate life a lot more, and it just brightens up my day and it helps me to stay positive. Another thing that I do when I'm feeling down or I need just a little bit of a positivity boost is I listen to music. And what I used to do, I used to just play, dance music that I could, dance to and just all of that jazz. But I realized that, that didn't really help me much. It just kind of made me a little tired at the end. Because when I listen to music, I listen to the lyrical content, and that's what makes a good song for me. So I started just listening to music that I like. So I would say listen to music that you like, music that speaks to you. R&B music, it could be jazz, it could be just any kind of music, any genre that you really like, that will definitely put a smile on your face and just get you into the mood of the day and get you back into the mood if you're feeling low. Another thing that I do is, when I'm feeling a bit low, I pray. I just say a little prayer, just if there's something that is bothering me, I just pray about it and I just let it go. Sometimes I get an instant response. Sometimes, it just helps me to, just let it all out, because I don't really talk a lot. I don't talk about my problems a lot to people. So praying just helps me to, let go of that situation and kind of let go of whatever it is that is on my mind, that is, clouding my mind with all this negativity. I just give it all to God and I just let it go. So that's another thing that you could do. Another very important thing, and actually this should have been the number one thing, cut out all forms of negativity from your life. Be it people, be it possessions, whatever, just cut it out. If it's, being counterproductive to your, positive lifestyle and you wanted to live positively, cut it out. If you know that you have people in your life that are constantly, being negative towards you, saying negative things about your success, and always have something negative to say, cut them out. Cut them out. Just block them out, because you don't want to be counterproductive in your positivity. You want to maintain positivity. So you can't maintain positivity if you keep harboring negativity in your life. So that's a very important thing. Cut out anything that is negative, even if it's, you know, with possessions and stuff, and if it's something that you own that brings up, you know, negative emotions or negative memories, just throw it away, or just, you know, just keep it out of reach, out of sight. Anything that is negative, that promotes negativity in your life, cut it out. And the last thing on my list is always try to look your best, even when you don't have anywhere to go or you don't have anything to do. Just always look your best. This is something that I didn't really understand the whole concept of it until I actually started being proactive with it. Even on days when I don't have anything to do, I get out of bed, I make my bed, and I just, you know, put on something nice. If I don't want to wear, you know, something that is overly fancy, obviously, like, you know, I just make myself look presentable, make myself feel good. And, you know, when I look good, I feel good. Honestly, when I look in the mirror and I'm like, wow, girl, you're looking real fine, I feel fine. You know, I feel the way I look. So try your best to just always look your best. That doesn't mean, you know, you have to have a full face of makeup all the time, or you have to, you know, have your cutest dress on. You know, just something that you personally feel like, yeah, okay, I feel like I look good in this. Do that. Try to look your best all the time, and that will instantly, you know, help you to just, you know, boost your energy and boost your positivity levels a lot. I speak from experience. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this video here. Those are just a few tips and tricks that I use. Like I said, please feel free to leave a comment below and let me know other tips and tricks that you use. I'm very interested to know. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time.